Hello, my munchkins. If you too are suffering from puffy eyes and dark circles that just won't go away, I'm going to show you an alternative to expensive creams that work just like store bought. But before that, if you are new to my channel, I'll be really glad if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So first take a bowl and add some aloe vera gel. I'm gonna suggest if you really want that proper cream consistency, don't use the natural one, use the market one. The under eye skin is very delicate, so if you're not staying hydrated, it's gonna show up under your eyes. So aloe vera is gonna help provide that hydration. Also, don't forget to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. So next we're gonna add potato starch. To get that, juice the potato and let the juice settle for a minute or two. Now slowly remove the liquid part and you will get the white starchy substance at the bottom. We're going to use that. This is gonna help remove any dark circles or wrinkles you have under your eyes. In the next step, we are going to add spoonful of almond oil. It helps to lighten the dark circles and under eye puffiness. It has retinol and vitamin K, which keeps your under eye skin smooth without irritating it. I'm gonna add 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. If you have, you can directly use the oil, at least 10 drops of it. Vitamin E helps fight the effect of free radicals that cause signs of aging like wrinkles. Now to get that proper cream consistency, you have to mix this very good until it gets frothy like this. Remember, always make this cream in small batches as you need very little of it. This amount will be enough for a whole month. And it's the best alternative for market bought creams which are so expensive. Now that we have got the perfect consistency, I'm gonna store this in a small airtight bottle. So our DIY eye cream is ready. Store this in a fridge for maximum usage up to a month. If you apply it under your eyes and massage with your fingertips very gently and leave it overnight, you will get great results in less than a week. So that's it for today. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.